Guys, it's Trudy with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and for Tricks of the Trade this week, I'd like to talk a little bit about business. I have a bunch of guys that come in just starting out, and I talk them out of a lot of equipment or parts they don't need. I tell them that they need to save a little bit of money for marketing. They need to save some money for breakdowns or equipment that they lose or has failed, or things that happen in our industry. I see a lot of guys coming in paying a couple $100s for us to change the oil. There's a lot of things that guys need to know how to do, just troubleshooting and basic maintenance, and that will save you a lot of money. But always keep backups of O-rings, quick connects, ball valves. Make sure you got a backup hose, gun. They go out, they break, you drop it. I've had a guy drop off a balcony, kind of tether down his gun and wand with his hose, and it got caught on something and you broke it. So, you can finish the job with your ball valve, but it's not as efficient when you're used to using certain equipment. So when you're going into business, guys, when you're new, make sure you get the equipment you really need, not items you're not going to use or you've seen on TikTok or YouTube and there's not really use for them on everyday jobs. Then make sure you save the money for the backup equipment you're going to need, and money for repairs and maintenance. Just take time to learn basic maintenance and troubleshoot your equipment. Really learn your equipment so you know how to fix it, you know how to make it work so you can finish your jobs. Panhandle will be having an on-site training July 29th and 30th. We will be going over troubleshooting basic maintenance, so we will show you all the basic stuff. We have guys coming in here spending $300 on an oil change, an oil filter, and it's something you can really do at home. It doesn't take long. With the basic knowledge and training, you can do this yourself. So the 29th and 30th at Panhandle, we'll be doing troubleshooting basic maintenance, and Judd West will be here with his FlowPro and other gadgets that we use on a daily basis to make your job easier and more efficient. There'll be more videos like this, guys. So I am giving away one shirt every Friday like this to a new subscriber. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, make sure you send me a screenshot and your address and your shirt size, and I'll pick a lucky winner every Friday. We'll be doing this throughout the year. I have more videos like this, a little bit of tricks of the trade, nothing in depth, just basic information. Hopefully can help you guys grow your business. And I wish you guys a wonderful weekend coming up, and stay humble and hustle hard, my friends.